affiliate marketing. It's pretty rare that I get stopped on the street by somebody seeing one of my TikTok videos and say, hey, I seen your video, how do I get started? Well, normally I would just tell them to go click the link underneath hands, go to my bio, and we can get started today. But this guy, you know, I sit down with him and took 15, 20 minutes and explained to him. Affiliate marketing is basically where you take someone else's product, they'll give you a link and you promote it. Once you sell it, they'll give you a commission for selling it. Now, you can sell something on Amazon for $20, or you can look for something else, let's say it's $4,000. The same amount of effort that you spend on that $4,000 is the same as you're going to spend for $20. So why not do it to where you're going to make the best commission, which means you want to sell the $4,000 product versus the $20 product. But everybody gets started. Amazon's usually the rite of passion. You know, it's where basically where everybody gets started trying to sell stuff. So if you go there and you fill it out, hey, and you want to sell stuff, everybody's done it. Everybody. That's usually how everybody usually gets started. Either Amazon or Walmart or some of these other places. But you just got to remember, there's no shipping, no customer service, and no dealing with returns. So just think about it. Affiliate marketing is probably one of the fastest growing business models out there, because you can do it from your living room, you can do it from a hotel room, you can still keep your 9-to-5 job while you're working on your business, you can do it on a weekend, or you can travel. If you like to travel, you get this dialed in, hey, you can travel and do this anywhere. Some people call this the laptop lifestyle is affiliate marketing, because you can do it anywhere. All you need is a laptop and the internet. You can travel, work, and still do it. Spend a couple hours in the morning doing it and hit the beach in the afternoon. Hey, what could be better than that? But just remember, if you're interested in it, just go to the description and click the link and we can get started today. But just remember, you can check out all the videos you want, and you can see all the gurus talk about you can make 10 grand in a month, or you can make 500 a day, or just remember, you got to put a little time into this. This is not a quick, rich scheme. This is a business. It's your business. So you got to put a little time in it, get it all dialed in, and to get it going. You got to know what works, what doesn't work. But that's why we're here. We got the best of the best in the business affiliate marketing. We pulled the best together. Now these guys and these girls are wanting to train, wanting to show you how to do it. Skip all the nonsense where you're having to trial and error and fail and spend a bunch of time and money. That's in the past. We're going to show you exactly what works. We're going to show you how to do it. It's not cut and paste, so you're going to have to do the work. But then you can do this from any product, anywhere. Once you learn the skills, it's yours to keep. Nobody can take that ever away from you. So just keep that in mind. You can watch a bunch of videos, or you can listen to some fake gurus, but just remember, once you learn these skills, they're yours. You can promote any product, any given time, anywhere, and do it from anywhere. So just keep that in mind. We got guys that they're going to mentor you, that they're going to push you. They're going to say, hey, this is how you build that funnel. This is how you send the email. You may want to read this book on how to write emails and give you all the information to help you, and which is great, because then you bypass all the nonsense of trial and error, because they're going to walk you through everything, and that is what you're looking for. You don't want to waste no time, because remember, success loves speed, and the faster you get started, the faster you're going to see results. So when you're building that funnel, we're going to tell you, nah, I wouldn't build it that way. Probably wouldn't say that. because we're going to be there. We're going to tell you. We're going to show you. We're going to walk you through it. We're not going to let you fail. I mean, we're not in this to watch people fail. If we didn't want to help people, we'd just make the money and wouldn't help anybody. We'd just sit back and relax. But instead, the best and the brightest of the business are doing it. So if we didn't want to train, we just wouldn't, So you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So just keep that in mind. When you got, some of these fly-by-night guys who are trying to push and telling you to watch this video and that video, all you're doing is wasting a lot of time. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, just join us, because we'll give you everything you need, all the correct information. We will push you. We will hold your hand and make sure you're not going to fail. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you get my weekly updates. And just remember, success loves speed. So if you're ready to start your business or your side hustle, just go to the description, click the link, and we can get started. Because the way things are looking, next year might not be any better. It may get worse. If you're having a hard time now, paying your bills, putting groceries on the table, next year may be different. Who knows what the interest rates will be next year? They may be outrageous. So there is no better time than right now to get started, especially if you're thinking about your financial future, your kids' future. Maybe your kids are young and you're like, man, I haven't saved a dime for my kids. What about their education? Well, it's not too late. It's not too late. Let's get started. We love to help you. We're here. Once you click the link and you sign up, you're going to get a phone call probably within hours of your mentor going to help you set stuff up and start talking to you, asking you what your goals and where do you see yourself in a year from now. So, we're here to support you. We're here to help you. We want you to succeed. So just keep that in mind. And look out for my next videos. I'll see you next week.